Good morning, students. Welcome to Max class. Chapter 9 Algebra. Just to recap for you. Variable. A variable is a quantity which can take various numerical values. Constant. A quantity which has a fixed numerical value. Algebraic expression. It is a combination of variables and constants connected by arithmetic operations. Like terms. Terms having the same variable with the same power. Unlike terms. Terms having the different variable with the different power. Degree. Highest power of the variable. Polynomial. An algebraic expression with only one term is called monomial. Example 4x. Binomial. An algebraic expression with two terms. Example 2x plus 3y. Trinomial. An algebraic expression with three terms. Example 4x plus 3y plus 2z. Polynomial. An algebraic expression with more terms. Example 2a plus 3b plus 5c plus d. Standard form. Arrange the terms in increasing or decreasing order. Subtraction of polynomials. The subtraction of two polynomials is also a polynomial. We can add or subtract only like terms. We cannot add or subtract unlike terms. Algebra. Algebraic expressions can also be subtracted using two methods. One is column method and another one is horizontal method. Let us see one example problem. If p of x equal to 4x square minus 3x plus 2x power 3 plus 5 and q of x equal to x square plus 2x plus 4, then find p of x minus q of x. Already we have mentioned two methods are there. So first method is vertical method. First step is arrange the polynomials in standard form. That is, second step is write the given expressions one below the other based on their like terms. So p of x equal to 2x power 3 plus 4x square minus 3x plus 5. Then q of x equal to, there is no x power 3 term in q of x. Instead of that we can write 0 x power 3, then x square plus 2x and then plus 4. Step 3. Change the signs of second expressions. That is, here minus sign, 0, this is minus, plus sign change into minus x square and plus 2x change into minus 2x and plus 4 changed as minus 4. P of x minus q of x equal to, last step is use the rule of algebraic addition. That is, the given like terms are in same sign add and write the same sign. If the given like terms are different sign, subtract and write the greater sign. So this is the rule of algebraic addition. So this rule we are going to apply here. Here plus 5, here minus 4. So these two numbers are different sign. So we can subtract and write the greater number sign. 5 minus 4 is 1. Greater number is plus 5. So plus 1. The next term is minus 3x minus 2x. These two are same sign. So we can add and write the same sign. 3 plus 2 is 5x and the common sign is minus. Here plus 4x square, here minus x square. These two are different sign. So subtract and write the greater number sign. 4 minus 1 is 3x square. The greater number is plus 4. So plus 2 minus 0 is 2x power 3. So this is the answer. Therefore, P of x minus Q of x equal to 2x power 3 plus 3x square minus 5x plus 1. Now we are going to do the same sum by horizontal method. P of x and Q of x I have written. In this method also we are going to follow some steps. First step is write the expression from which we want to subtract minus other expression inside the bracket. That is P of x minus Q of x equal to 2x power 3 plus 4x square minus 3x plus 5 minus second term is x square plus 2x plus 4. Bracket is very important in horizontal method of subtraction. Next step, we open the bracket by multiplying each term inside the bracket with this minus sign. First polynomial as it is we can write 2x power 3 plus 4x square minus 3x plus 5 minus into plus x square minus into plus x square, that is minus x square, then minus into plus 2x, that is minus into plus is minus 2x, then minus into plus 4, minus into plus is minus 4. The third step is group the like terms. 2x power 3, x power 3 term we have only 1. So as it is we can write that is 2x power 3. Then x square term, here we have 2x square terms. We can group the like terms. So 4x square and minus x square, and here 3x and minus 2x, then constant term. So we can group like this, then constant term. So plus 4x square minus x square minus 3x and minus 2x, then plus 5 and minus 4. Next step, 2x power 3, 4 minus x square is here plus 4, here minus 1. So these two are different sign. So we can subtract and write the greater sign. 4 minus 1 is 3, that is plus 3x square. Next x term minus 3x and minus 2x. These two are same sign. So we can add and write the same sign. 3x plus 2x is 5x. Common sign is minus. Then plus 5 minus 4. These two are different sign. So we can subtract and write the greater sign. 5 minus 4 is plus 1. Therefore, P of x minus Q of x equal to 2x power 3 plus 3x square minus 5x plus 1. In horizontal method and vertical method, we have got the same answer. Two methods I have taught, which is easy for you. That method you can follow. Seventh problem. What should be added to 2x cube plus 6x square minus 5x plus 8 to get 3x power 3 minus 2x square plus 6x plus 15. So what should be added with this to get the answer as 3x power 3 minus 2x square plus 6x plus 15. These two are polynomials and one more polynomial we have to find out. So we can write, let the unknown polynomial be P of x. Now the question will be 2x power 3 plus 6x square minus 5x plus 8 plus P of x. This is an unknown polynomial. What should be added to 2x power 3 plus 6x square minus 5x plus 8 to get 3x power 3 minus 2x square plus 6x plus 15. This problem also I am going to apply horizontal method. So P of x we are going to find out, that is the unknown polynomial. Therefore, P of x equal to this plus polynomial comes as right side, that is 3x power 3 minus 2x square plus 6x plus 15 minus second polynomial 2x power 3 plus 6x square minus 5x plus 8. Write the polynomials in bracket. Then we open the bracket and by multiplying each term of the inside the bracket with this minus sign, that is 3x power 3 minus 2x square plus 6x plus 15 minus into plus minus 2x power 3 and minus into plus 6x minus 6x square minus into 5s plus 5x and minus into plus minus 8. Now we can group the like terms, 2x power 3 terms. So we can group these two. Then 2x square terms. Then 2x terms. And finally the constant. Three x power 3 minus 2x power 3, and next is x square term, that is minus 2x square minus 6x square plus 6x plus 5x plus 15 minus 8. Now 3 minus 2, this is different sign, so we have to subtract and write the greater sign. 3 minus 2 is 1, that is x power 3. Minus 2x square and minus 6x square, these two are same sign, so add and write the same sign. 2 plus 6 is 8x square, the common sign is minus. Then plus 6x and plus 5x, these two are same sign, so we can add and write the same sign. 6x plus 5x is plus 11x. Then these two are different signs. So we can subtract 15 minus 8 is 7. Greater number is plus 15. So plus 7. Therefore, unknown polynomial p of x is equal to x power 3 minus 8x square plus 11x plus 7. So answer is 2x power 3 plus 6x square minus 5x plus 8 added to x power 3 minus 8x square plus 11x plus 7 to get 3x power 3 minus 2x square plus 6x plus 15. So this polynomial p of x should be added to this to get 3x cube minus 2x square plus 6x plus 15.